Hello guys, in this video you will have the chance to see how a miniature fairy house is made. It all starts with an empty plastic jar. Mark the lines first and then you've got to cut in those lines. Clay is used to cover all the surface of the jar. These little stairs are made out of cardboard. Just look at this little door. How cute is that? Another good thing besides ending with a super cute fairy house is that you get to recycle plastic. You can follow these instructions, or you can follow your imagination and design the house the way you like it. This house surely needs a garden, so cardboard is here to help you with that. Use a hot glue gun to glue the pieces together. Now it's time to grab a transparent plastic film. This is how your garden should be looking like at this stage. Cover it with clay and remove the unneeded parts of it. This is looking quite interesting. Cut the jar lid as shown in the video and get the upper part of a plastic bottle. Aluminium foil is used at the tip and then it all gets covered in clay. These details are leaving us speechless. Aluminium foil is being used yet again. This time, you've got to give it a mushroom shape. They look wonderful when they're covered in clay. We're loving the simplicity of the entrance. Above everything, this project is super fun. Judging by the look of it, the artist is going for a bridge. When you reach this stage, it means you're already done with the shape of it. Now it's time to have some fun painting. This is getting a rainbow look, and we are loving it. Feel free to use other colors if you prefer to do so. Doesn't this look fantastic? You can use LED lights if you want this fairy house to serve as a lamp too. Gorgeous.